Welcome to our journey into the future. Imagine towns 100 years from now. Picture walking down a street, but not the one you're used to. Towering buildings shimmer with an otherworldly glow. Clean air, quiet electric traffic. The town feels alive. Let's explore the possibilities together.
Think about it. Buildings today are static, almost rigid in their design. But in a century, we might see structures that are flexible, responsive. Imagine skyscrapers swaying in the wind, facades shimmering with solar collectors. These buildings might be grown using self-healing materials adapting to the environment. Picture living walls teeming with greenery, purifying the air, blurring natural and constructed lines.
Fossil fuels, a relic of the past? The towns of the future will be powered by the sun, wind, maybe even the fusion of atoms, mimicking the very heart of stars. Imagine rooftops blanketed in energy-harvesting panels, seamlessly integrated into the building's design. Your home could be a net producer of energy, contributing to a smart grid that intelligently distributes power throughout the town.
In this future town, traffic flows smoothly, not because of luck, but because of intelligent systems that predict and manage congestion. Sensors embedded in roads and buildings monitor everything, from air quality to pedestrian flow, making real-time adjustments for maximum efficiency. Waste? Not a problem. Imagine a system where waste is automatically sorted, recycled, and even used to generate energy, a closed loop of sustainability.
Chapter 4. Transportation. Buckle up, or maybe you won't need to. The future is autonomous, sleek, electric vehicles gliding through streets. High-speed trains whisk people between cities. Maybe we'll have personal flying vehicles, zipping above congestion. Drones might become delivery trucks, dropping packages at your doorstep.
Chapter 5. Urban Design. Picture this. You step out and are greeted by a vibrant, pedestrian-friendly plaza. Parks and green spaces offer tranquil escapes from the bustling town centre. Buildings are designed with mixed use in mind, a fusion of residential, commercial and recreational spaces. Your daily commute? A leisurely stroll through a verdant sky garden.
Chapter 6. Technology Integration. Remember those clunky VR headsets? In 100 years, they'll be as antiquated as rotary phones. Augmented and virtual reality will be seamlessly integrated into our lives. Imagine attending a meeting in a virtual boardroom thousands of miles away. Our homes will be smarter than ever, responding to our voice commands.
Let's face it, climate change is the ultimate challenge. But the towns of the future won't just weather the storm, they'll be built to withstand it. Imagine coastal cities with ingenious flood defenses, buildings designed to adapt to rising sea levels, and entire communities powered by renewable energy. Water will be treasured, recycled, and used responsibly, ensuring that this precious resource sustains generations to come.
Chapter 8. Community and culture. Technology connects us globally, but future towns will still value community. Imagine vibrant spaces fostering interaction, local markets buzzing with activity, showcasing unique flavors and artistry. Culture will blend local traditions and global influences.
Chapter 9. Healthcare. Remember those yearly checkups? The future of healthcare might be about predicting and preventing illness before it even arises. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, wearable sensors that monitor your health in real time, and telemedicine that connects you with the best doctors in the world, no matter where you are. In this future, healthcare will be proactive, precise, and ultimately more human-centered.
Chapter 10. Education and work. Gone are the days of rigid classrooms and 9-to-5 jobs. Education will be personalized and flexible. Learn at your own pace, guided by AI tutors. Remote work will connect colleagues globally. Automation will handle repetitive tasks, freeing us for creativity and innovation. A future forged by hope and ingenuity. While these are just speculative ideas, the future town will likely reflect both our hopes and challenges. incorporating advancements in technology and addressing pressing issues like sustainability and quality of life. From self-healing skyscrapers to personalized medicine, the possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself.